What's up? How you guys doing? This is Rich from Rich to Be Live. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Hope you're having a phenomenal Sunday. Gonna try to go live here on Live Me. See if we can get a rolling on Live Me. Come on, Live Me. How you guys doing? Haven't been on Live Me for a while, and haven't been in front of my people here on YouTube. What it seems like for a while. Let's see if I can move this back. Let's go like this. Right. All right. Oh, wow. 25 people right away, just like that in 35 seconds. Holy smokes. 31 people just like that, eh? Holy moly.
Holy crow.
How you guys doing this Sunday? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How you guys doing this Sunday? Some of you are already on Monday, depending on where in the world you're watching. We got TC Don't Play. What's up, yo? How you doing, man? Dylan Fraser says, yo, glad to see ya. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, brother. RD Sully says, morning, folks. What are you guys having for breakfast this morning? Dylan says, smash that like. The like looks like this. You just smash it. You smash it. You just smash it. Hard. Call up all your friends. Be like, yo, Rich TV is live. Smash it. You guys know what's up. You guys know what's up. I'm going to read you guys a message I got on Twitter. It's hilarious. You guys won't believe it. It's too funny. Boris says, excited to see a new week, brother. Forex, Antoine, Bass, Manny. Woo, let's go, brother. I want to get you on the show, man. You know what? I'm going to make you a moderator, Boris. So you're a moderator. Boris is part of the Trading Academy, guys. If you guys haven't joined, love to trade with you guys. We're going to be trading in like 5.5 hours. We'll be trading live. We'll be making money on a Sunday in a pandemic, in a depression. It's true. It's true. How you doing, Giorgio? What's up, Dennis? How you doing, Garvit? What's up, Jay? Hey, man, I love you guys too, man. What's up, Pluto? Jewelry Art. Hey, man, staying virus-free, man. Feeling good, feeling good. It's a Sunday. It's a fun day. You know, I'm chilling. I ain't feeling sick, so that's a good sign. I also haven't gone anywhere. Just bunkering at home and trading. Bunkering at home and learning how to trade and working with the team. And just the goal this week for the team is just to see everybody make money trading. That's the goal this week. Got a lot of new people. Just want to see them make money trading. That's the goal this week. And I anticipate a crazy week ahead. I mean, these last few weeks have been nuts. So I anticipate this week is going to be a crazy week ahead. Hey, MC, how you doing? You know what, MC, I'm going to make you a moderator. I appreciate your support. I'm going to make you a moderator here so you got more power. More power in the group. Remy Red says, good morning, Rich Dollars. Yo, dollar bill, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Jonas? Feeling great. How you guys feeling? Man, life is good, man. I don't know. Everybody's in doom and gloom, but I'm not in doom and gloom. See, I was prepared for this. I was the one telling everybody the pandemic was coming. So now that the pandemic is here, do you think I'm the one that's panicking? I'm the last one that's panicking because I already knew this was coming. I'm the one that predicted it. So, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not surprised we're in a pandemic. I talked about it 2 months ago. Like, did you guys see what was going on in China? Oh, that's a Chinese problem. Well, guess what? It's the whole world's problem right now. So don't feel sorry about yourself. Don't feel sorry that the world is in a pandemic. Do something about it. Do something about it. I respect the people that are part of the Trading Academy because they made the decision that they're not going to wait for a government handout. They're going to go and make their future. They're going to go and create their future. What are you doing to create your future? Or are you sitting back on the couch watching Netflix, watching Trudeau, watching Boris Johnson, watching Trump talk about the pandemic in a state of fear? Man, take control of your life. Take control of your destiny. Make a decision. What are you going to do? Are you going to learn a new language? Are you going to learn how to play an instrument? Are you going to read a book? Or are you going to sit on the couch, watch politicians talk about this invisible enemy. How many times do I got to hear the same thing about the invisible enemy? Now it's at the point where every single day we got to listen to politicians. I don't want to listen to politicians. And I definitely don't want to listen to politicians all day, every day. That's for damn sure. You know what I mean? I don't think anybody does. So it's just weird, man. We got no sports. We got to listen to politicians. I don't want to listen to politicians. Who the hell wants to listen to politicians? It's nuts. It's ridiculous. Yo, listen, guys. 50 people on a Sunday in 5 minutes. I love it. But 17 likes? Is there really 33 people here that don't like me? Come on, guys. Smash it, man. Smash it. Yo, what's up on Live Me? Hope you guys are having a great day on Live Me. I don't come on Live Me as much as I should, but I love you, Live Me, man. Great platform. I love Instagram. I love you guys on all social media. Listen, guys, if you want to create financial freedom, all you need to do, email me. I will show you guys how you guys can join the Trading Academy. And some of you in the Trading Academy will become hugely successful. Hugely successful. But that's up to you. I can't do it for you. You got to want it for yourself. Some of you are going to join the Academy and you're going to blow by me. Yeah, Rich, whatever. He's not a builder. He built 30 guys in 5 months. I'll build 30 guys in 5 minutes. I'm looking for that guy. I'm looking for that girl. You know, someone that wants to do something special in their life. Someone that wants to change their financial future. Somebody that wants to change their direction of their lives. Someone that's not going to sit on the couch for 2 months and wait for the world to get better. My world is already great. I'm going to make my world greater. What are you going to do to make your world greater? What are you going to do to positively impact your life? I'm going to share with you guys a story. And it's not a nice story. It's actually a pretty mean story. It's kind of bad story, but I like to share the stories because I'm a real dude, right? I'm just a real dude. I'm an average guy trying to do above average things. Okay, guys? I started this YouTube channel 3 years ago, and I started it as a person who watched YouTube as a fan, right? And in 3 years, we went from a person that was just watching YouTube as a fan, and now we're on YouTube, right? So if I can do it, you can do it. And I want to work with you to teach you how to do it. That's what I want to do. I want to work with you to teach you how to do it so that social media can help you create financial freedom. And everybody says, well, Rich, the only reason why you're growing so fast in the Trading Academy is because of your YouTube. They don't realize how much time over the last 3 years I put into YouTube. You can't say to me the only reason why you're growing in the Trading Academy is because of YouTube. I built that YouTube. So if you put in the time to build your YouTube, then you should be able to grow in an academy or in any business as well. So the only difference between me and you is I decided to put in the time. So if I decide to put in the time, what's stopping you? Right now, you're all at home. Set up a YouTube channel. Set up Instagram. Set up Twitter. Set up Facebook. Set up TikTok. Like, you know what I mean? Like, everyone wants to make excuses. The only reason why you're building in the academy is because of your YouTube. Well, okay, build a YouTube channel. I'll help you. Well, I don't want to. Well, then you can't sit there and say to me, the only reason why you're getting ahead is because of your YouTube, because you're not willing to do what I did. So if you're not willing to do what I did, then you're probably not going to get the same results. But if you're willing to do more than what I did, you're going to get even better results, right? I think that's pretty basic, standard. I think that what I'm saying makes sense, but I might be nuts. Maybe I'm nuts. Tell me if I'm nuts, guys. Please, if I'm nuts, let me know.
You're nuts.
If I'm right, drop 888. If I'm nuts, drop 666.
That's not a good sign.
I know. Let's see. I want to see who's watching. Just pay attention. Giorgio says you can't help people that don't want to be helped. I'm gonna tell you guys what happened this morning, what I woke up to this morning, because I thought it was kind of funny. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I woke up to. We got some 888s. We got a 686. So I'm a little crazy, like half crazy. I got some 888s. I got a 777. What's up, Mr. Lou? That's okay. 777s. That's you know. What about a 007? Dylan says you're a beast, Rich. Thank you, Dylan. Respect, man. Scott says, I think you are a blend, Rich. 8-6. A blend of crazy. Yeah, I think I'm a little crazy. It's true. It's a little true. Smoking 559 says, have to be a little crazy in this world, Rich. Hey, man. You're right. Fernando Acosta says, Rich, how much is the trainings? Okay, so it costs $235 for your first month US. My goal is for you guys to make $235 in your first week. This is what I want to work with my entire team this week, is getting everybody making money trading. That is the focus this week. In previous weeks, I was focused more on building. Last week, I really started focusing on trading and trading with the team. And this week, we're going to be trading and trading with the team. And for this month, it's going to be focused on trading. So if you guys really want to get good at trading, everybody's at home. That's really what I want to focus on this week. And then next week and the week after that, and for the rest of this month, we're going to really hammer the trading and really get people making money consistently trading. And from there, I want to teach people as of May how to really grow their businesses, because I believe by the end of April, we're going to be big team. So as we get bigger, I want to really work with our members, some of that are here too. And thank you guys for supporting. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. And give you guys the opportunity to grow your businesses and really work with you guys to help you guys grow your businesses, because I believe this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Everybody's at home. Everyone's looking for ways to make money. And I've got a way to help them make money. So why wouldn't everybody want to do it? So $235 on the first month. And then after that, it's $175 every month after that. However, once you bring in 2 people, you trade for free. So that's why I want to teach people how to grow their business, because once you bring in 2 people, you trade for free. Now, if you want to be a part of the business side, then when you bring in 3 people, you start making 150 US a month. 12 people, you start making 600 US a month. 30 people, you start making 1,000 US a month. I'm at almost 30 people, so I'm almost at 1,000 US a month building the business. And my goal is to get to Chairman 500, where I'll be making 500,000 US a month. That's my new goal. So I want to work with you guys. I want to help you guys get there. And if you guys are looking for an opportunity to change the course of your life and not just sit on your couch for 2 months, let's go. You know, I put my money where my mouth is. I joined. I started learning. Now I'm getting paid to trade. And I'm growing within the company. And I'm excited about it. And I'm excited about helping the people within our team grow within the company, both as traders and as builders within the organization. So I'm going to tell you guys what happened this morning. So this morning, I get a text from a guy on Twitter. Rich, I'm looking into your academy and it sounds interesting. And I've been watching your videos and they look really good. But there's so many people that are saying that, that you're not good, Rich. I'm like, people are saying, which people? Who are these people? There are people talking about me on a Sunday. I just woke up. This is what I woke up to on my phone. Imagine you wake up on your phone. I want to join your academy and your videos are good, but there's people talking trash about you, Rich. So I'm not sure. So I responded. I said, well, I appreciate your interest and I'd love to work with you in the academy. But as far as other people, I can't control what other people say, right? Then he came back and he said, well, I'm very interested in your academy, but a lot of people said that, you lost money and a lot of people lost money in the cannabis sector and that you're a pump and dump artist and that the only person who makes money is you. But I'm interested in your academy. So I said, okay, well, I don't know who's talking about me and I'm definitely not talking about them because I'm too busy building my business. My businesses, my trading academy, our Rich TV Live brand. I'm too busy building my businesses, being a single father, to focus on other people and negatively talk about anybody. And anyone who knows me, who spends time with me or even talks to me will tell you that. I do not have time. I don't even have an extra minute in my day to sit here and talk negatively about anybody. So if people are talking about me, maybe that's a good thing. So I thought about it and I was like, and I responded, I said, it's funny because a lot of people say a lot of negative things about Trump too, but he's a billionaire and he's the president of the United States. There's a lot of people talking a lot of negative things about him too. Just a little food for thought. But if you like to learn how to trade, email your boy. This is how I wake up on my Sunday. And it's great, man. I love it. I'm eating breakfast and I'm eating negatives for breakfast. Eating negatives for breakfast. Jay McFamous says $235 a week profits on how much capital investment? No, $235 is the initial investment in the academy for your first month. After that, it goes to $175 a month. But my goal is for everyone to make their $235 back in their first week of trading. That's my goal. Some people are making more. One of our members, Adrian, has made over $30,000 in the last 3 months. He's the #1 trader on our team so far. But I'm always looking for better traders, and I'm always looking for people that are going to push me and better builders and bigger builders, people that want to be a part of a business that is explosive. There's a 21-year-old kid named Mohammed in the company. I apologize. I'm not going to say kid. 21-year-old young professional businessman. He's been in the company for 100 days. He's in America. His name is Mohammed. He has introduced over 3,000 people to the academy. He is a chairman 50. He's making $50,000 a month. $50,000 a month residual income. US. He's 21 years old and he's been in the company for 100 days. There are examples like that all over the company, all over the world. Well, not examples like that. He is the record holder now. So if he could do it, I'm going to do it. That's the way I look at it. I might not do it in 100 days, but I fully intend and I fully plan to have everybody that's watching be a part of our trading academy in the future and have everybody making money trading and having our traders calling the trades live, and we just copy trade. And here we are live on Rich TV Live, and we'll literally be live taking trades. That's the future. That's where we're going. And I'm super happy that I joined the academy in November, because at that point in time, I started to really diversify. Started to buy oil. I started to buy gold. I started to buy coronavirus type stocks, vaccine stocks, started to buy more big board stocks. And to be honest with you, it's really made me understand that I can't put all my eggs in one basket like I did with the cannabis stocks. And I'm going to be the first one that's going to admit that I lost money over the last 6 months in the cannabis sector. So maybe 6 to 8 months in the cannabis sector. So it was a tough ride, not just for me, but for everyone that was watching our show, watching our channel, and that was part of our community, because we were very deeply involved in the cannabis sector. So that was a learning experience for me. And it wasn't just for me, it was a lot of people. And I have a lot of people within our community that are constantly telling me how much money they've lost in the cannabis sector, and they feel really frustrated about it. And I feel frustrated about it too. So, that's why I made a change in my trading style. I was like, okay, you know what? I don't ever want this to happen again for me or for my community. So I need to change something. So I was humble enough to say, you know what? I made a mistake and I'm going to make some changes in my trading style. And that's why I joined the academy in November. Now I've already grown to the point where I get paid to trade in the academy. And I'm not stopping there. I'm excited about ranking higher and higher and higher within the company. And there's a lot of people doing it. So why not me? Why not you? Why not you watching at home? Why not you? You're sitting at home on your couch thinking about what you're going to do with your life. Why not do something productive? So that's my message to the world. And I would love to work with you guys. I would love to trade with you guys. I'd love to create financial freedom with you guys. I'm a single dad. I'm still not free 100% of my life. Am I getting closer to freedom? 100% I am. But I'm not 100% free. And I want to be. And I believe one day I will be. And that's why I joined this academy. So I have the tools to get there. If oil goes up, I can make money on the way up. If oil goes down, I can make money on the way down. If gold goes up, I can make money on the way up. If gold goes down, I can make money on the way down. If palladium goes up, I can make money on the way up. If palladium goes down, I can make money on the way down. If the US dollar goes up, I can make money on the US dollar. If the US dollar goes down, I can make money on the US dollar going down. If Visa goes up, I can make money on Visa going up. If Visa goes down, I can make money on Visa going down. 350 assets, Bitcoin, you name it, we can trade it. That's the fact. What's the time to become a trader? I have members that joined on Friday. They're going to be trading today. No time at all. Anybody can do this. And we've got a full team of trainers that are going to teach you how to trade. Dylan Fraser says, we were lied to from all the CEOs in the cannabis sector. Big promises didn't deliver. Yeah, and I was prepared. Brent, it's $235 for your first month. And then after that, it's $175 a month. And one of our members, Adrian, has been doing it for 3 months. He just pulled out 30 grand. And we just copy trade. We have 140 professional traders who have all had over 100 grand in their account to qualify to be a professional trader. And the company pays them $5,000 a month to trade live. And then we copy trade the mentors and the traders. We just copy trade them. You can trade on your own, but you can also copy trade them, okay? And some of those mentors are amazing. They have phenomenal results. So what we're doing now is we're identifying the best mentors and we're just copy trading them. And my goal this week is for all of our students to copy trade and win this week and have a very good week and strictly copy trade. Boris says, we can help you in the academy and walk you through the steps it works. There you go. And Boris, tell your story. You know, Boris, I want to get Boris on the show. And Boris started, I guess, over a month ago now. And he just started slow. And now he's copy trading. And he's starting to win. And he started very slow. He's taking his time. He's not rushing anything. And those are the people that do the best. A lot of times the people that want to trade right away and get right into it, they lose because they're too eager. But the people that are willing to take their time, learn, trade properly, and demo trade first for a few days at least, and then trade with real money, those are people typically that have the best success. But the people that are like, I want to trade right away, and they get into it too soon, and they're in a rush, those are the ones that usually lose. So I want to take my time with you guys. I want to trade with you guys. I want you guys to really learn. And I want you guys to learn how to earn while you learn. Do I like KNOP? Let's take a look at KNOP. I don't even know what KNOP is. In a couple hours, the markets will open, and I'll let you guys know what I think is going to happen in the markets. We will be trading live at 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. We will be trading live. Fernando says, Cron is the #1 top holding on MJ's. Thoughts, Rich? Cron is not my #1. I really like Valens and Labs. Johan says, Hypersolar Inc. is the future, Rich. Almost for free now. Hey, thank you for your pick, bro. Jay says, have you been making big money shorting in the past month? Honestly, I'm at the point in the academy where I'm not trading tons. I'm making my money by building my academy. That's how I've been making my money. I'm just really now getting into the trading part because for me, the trading is already second nature because I trade so much with my equities account. So I've already been trading for years. So that's not really new to me. I think for a lot of people that's new to that, that's what they're excited about. But for someone like myself, I've been trading for so long that that's not really new to me. So I set up my account, I started to trade, I started to win, and I'm like, okay, I got the trading. It's trading. It's no different than anything I've done, except I'm learning more about trading. So I'm becoming a better trader. I'm learning from 140 professional traders that have all built their accounts up to at least 100 grand. Some of them have 7, 8 figures in their trading account. So I'm learning from people that are professional traders. I'm copy trading them. I don't have to be the person that's trading live. However, as we grow within the academy and as I grow within the academy, my goal is to get to a point where when we do have a massive team, I do want to just focus on the trading and get to the point where I'm a great trader and I feel confident enough to live trade within the academy, build my account within the academy to over 100 grand, and then be a live trader. Because what I noticed within the academy is they have a lot of traders that are trading gold, Bitcoin, US 30, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Forex, but they don't have a lot of traders that are trading stocks. So I want to be that trader that's giving people signals on Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Google, mRNA, Gilead Sciences, all the big companies that exist, Zoom. That's what my idea is. And eventually, as the cannabis sector gets bigger again, be one of the mentors that teaches people how to trade cannabis stocks. So I feel there's a place for Rich TV Live within this academy. And that's why I joined the academy, because I felt like it was a perfect match. We have so many members. They're coming in, they're buying picks, they're selling, they're winning, they're losing. Why not have an academy where we can all become better traders? We can all copy trade mentors. We can all learn how to use different indicators and get better at understanding what the indicators are and how to use the indicators. So within the academy, I'm constantly learning how to use different indicators, what the indicators mean, how to use them, what to look for in the market, how to take advantage of momentum. Certain markets open up and that creates momentum. The New York market, the London market, the Asian market, the Australian market. So these are all markets that are opening up at different time, and we're literally trading all the markets 24 hours a day. Yo, Keo Christian Trader, how you doing, brother? How you doing in Switzerland, my friend? Congratulations to the new baby, my friend. Our family is growing. Keo Christian Trader, mad shout out to Keo Christian Trader, guys. This man has a great story. His wife was in labor, and he was telling me that they were watching Rich TV Live while his wife was in labor. Brother, I will take that story to my grave. When I started in this, do you think I ever thought that we would have such an amazing impact on people's lives, that people would be thinking about Rich TV Live while they're delivering their baby? Like that's a story, brother. One day you're going to have to come on the show and we're going to have to talk about it, because that is amazing. That is amazing. So congratulations on your growing family, my friend. And thank you for all your support. That means so much. Thank you guys for the likes. And if you haven't smashed the like, please smash the like. And I'm just here to hang out with you guys, man. I'm here to talk with you guys. And I'm here to help you guys. And I got a pick for you guys because you guys are here. You ready? You guys ready? Okay, on full alert for tomorrow. FDA approval. CODX. Here you go, guys. CODX. No, they shouldn't name the baby Rich. Come on, man. That's going too far. Hey, what's up, Live? Sometimes I forget that Live Me's here. We're live on Live Me and Instagram. We're live on YouTube. We're live all over the place. We got people on YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. I love you guys. None of this is possible without you guys, YouTube. We love you guys. YouTube makes this all possible. The greatest streaming platform in the world. We also love Instagram and Live Me. Love you guys on Live Me. If you follow me on Live Me, I will follow you. If you guys follow me on YouTube, I will follow you. You follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you. I'm just a normal guy that, just an average guy trying to do above average things, man. Green days are coming. We're in a tough time. We're in tough times, but CODX, guys. CODX. CODX just got FDA approval. They're up 37% after market. So stay tuned. I anticipate CODX is going to have an explosive Monday. If you would like to learn about the Trading Academy, just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. And I got instructions on how you can sign up and get started. And then I just spelled my email wrong. Sorry, richtvlive@gmail.com. I'll give you instructions on how you guys can join and how you guys can learn more and how you can contact me so I can walk you through the process. And it's very quick. You can sign up in 2 minutes. And you could start trading today. Like literally, if you sign up today, I could get you trained so you could be trading today. Real money, like that. Richie Rich says, every day is a green day when you're a trader. Yeah, you know, when you say green day, I think, is the market going to be green? I look at the broader markets. So when you say, is it going to be a green day? I'll let you know in a couple hours. Ross Fleming says, I'm all caught up on the MetaTrader 4 charts now, Rich. Callie sent me the video. So, Ross, do you have anything else? Guys, Ross just signed up yesterday. Ross, have you learned a lot so far? We're going to be trading today, Ross. Are you excited? You guys can ask Ross. He just signed up yesterday. Ross, when you signed up, did you get a lot of information so far? Because I haven't even given you nothing yet, Ross. We're just getting started, brother. But have you got a lot of information so far? And we will be trading in a few hours, my friend. Are you excited, Ross? And thank you for being here, Ross. I appreciate you, brother. Can't wait to trade with you, my friend. Yeah, so Mike, just send me an email and I'll give you some instructions and some details and a link to the website where you can learn about the academy. So just so you guys know, the name of the academy is I Am Mastery Academy. I have been in it for 5 months. I'm almost a Platinum 1000, which means I'm making 1,000 US a month residual. I'm getting paid to trade within the academy. And the academy's been around for 7 years, actually now 8 or almost 9 years. 7 years where they've done audited financials. In 2018, they did do 250 million in business. 2019, they grew. 2020, they're growing even more. So the company is in 120 countries worldwide. There's 120,000 students worldwide. And we just, right now in the last month, 20,000 new students have just joined the academy because everybody's at home and everybody's looking for ways to make money. Surprise, surprise. So once again, I'm ahead of the game. Not only was I the first one to talk about Bitcoin, and now everybody wants to know about Bitcoin, I'm getting paid in Bitcoin in the academy. I've been talking about Bitcoin and trading Bitcoin, guys, just so you know. I've been getting paid in Bitcoin since 2017. In the academy, I get paid in Bitcoin, just so you guys know. And I can help you guys learn how to get paid in Bitcoin, too, in the academy. I was the first one to talk about the coronavirus and told everybody that the coronavirus would be in 100 countries. I was the first one to predict that there would be deaths in Canada and the United States, and I was 100% correct on all of that as well. I was also one of the first people ever to talk about cannabis stocks ever in the world on YouTube. So these are predictions that I've made over and over and over again. We will continue to make these predictions. We will continue to get better at the markets, and we will continue to find winners, okay? Now, CODX, this is for everybody. CODX is on full alert, guys. CODX just got FDA approval. Aftermarket on Friday. They were at $8.20 on Friday. They are now at $11.28. They went up 37% aftermarket after getting FDA approval. Everybody needs to know about CODX. This is my gift to you guys because you're here with me on a Sunday. I respect you because you guys have taken the time to put on Rich TV Live. So when you come and you take the time to put on Rich TV Live, I share with you guys the tools of the gods. Now, I was given this tool. I was given this pick by the members. I apologize, man. I can't remember who gave me this pick. I got so much shit going on in my life. I apologize. But whoever did, brother, thank you, my friend. Thank you for sharing for the team, with the team, CODX. I wouldn't have even have known that they got FDA approval unless I was told by a member, okay? And he said to me in one of my videos, Rich, CODX, they just got FDA approval. They bounced 40% aftermarket, Rich. Whoa. I go on Google, I'm searching CODX. I don't see any information. So I would have never known about this. It's not on the CODX website. I don't see anything about it. Can you guys do some research and please find out what's going on with CODX? Because I don't see their news anywhere, but apparently they got FDA approval. That's why the stock is up 37% right now. After market, it went up $3. Jay McFamous says, who has made money here? Comment your time and profits. Did anybody make money last week on QSC? I brought you guys that pick last Saturday, 8 days ago, and they went up from 15 cents to 83 cents, 400% gainer. Did anybody here take advantage of that move? I also brought you guys Sona, Sona, SNANF, at 94 cents a few weeks ago, and I bought it, and I sold it too soon, unfortunately, but I made money, so I'm not going to complain. But this week, or last week, Sona went up to $2. Another company that I brought you guys that went up another 100%. Coronavirus test kits, guys. Coronavirus test kits. I like IBO. I sold my IBO for a profit, so I'm not holding IBIO right now, but I do like IBIO. And the question is not whether or not I like some of these companies. The question is, where is the bottom? And as an investor, how do you find the bottom? How do you sniper trade and ninja trade the bottom, get in early, buy low, and sell for a profit? That's really what trading's about. That's really what trading's about. Yes, you can like a company and you could dislike a company, but at the end of the day, if you want to have results, you got to learn how to invest in great companies that have a future, and you got to watch them, you got to date them, and buy them low, sell them high. Or if you're shorting, you're going to sell them high and then buy them back lower. Trading is really simple if you make it simple. Manny Sal says, Rich, is it fair to say that your program focuses on mainly penny stocks? No, I trade everything. I'm an opportunist in the markets. So I trade everything and anything. I trade big board stocks. I hold big board stocks. I trade gold stocks, big board gold stocks. I trade penny stocks. I trade gold, oil, futures trading, options trading, puts, shorting. You name it, I'm an opportunist. I trade everything. Silver, palladium, up and down. Forex, US dollar, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Great Britain dollar. I trade it all, man. So yeah, I trade everything. So yeah, I'm an opportunist. So now I can trade anything and everything. If there's a move on gold, I can make money on gold. If there's a move down, I can make money down. If there's a move up, I can make money up. And if the market crashes, I can short. I can buy the SQQQ ETF, which is a short ETF, shorting the NASDAQ. I can buy the SDOW, which is going to be shorting the Dow Jones, SDOW. So I have a plan now in my trading strategy where I can make money up and down 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Manny says, got it. Do you believe that the market has bottomed yet? I think that the market could go lower. I think that there's a very good chance that the market is going to probably go lower, maybe as much as 30%. I think we could see the Dow Jones get as low as 15,000. I think that's probably the lowest we see it. We did see them get as low as 18,000, like, a week ago. So could it get down to not a week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we were at 18,000. So could we get back to 18,000? Of course. Could we get back to 30,000? I believe we will, but I don't believe we will until the market gets past this pandemic. I think we need to get past this pandemic. And then once we get past the pandemic, I think there's a very good likelihood that the market goes back to 30K Dow. But we probably go down first before we go back up. So could we go back up? Yeah. We could find a cure for the coronavirus. Everybody could be better, and this could go away tomorrow, and the market could explode to 40K Dow. But it's more likely that we're probably going to go up and down and be choppy for the next few months and have some big, big lows and have some big, big highs. And I anticipate that that's going to happen, and I'm prepared to take advantage of that. Crypto's been going up and down, but I still believe that crypto is going to go way higher. Fernando says, SPY ain't going back to 280 anytime soon. Yeah, I mean, the market's under a lot of pressure. There's a lot of people selling, right? So when you got a market that's under pressure and there's people selling and people are pulling money out and staying in cash, you're going to have a lot of downward pressure in the market. We're still at a 21K Dow. The Dow is definitely down.
Search for Gmail.
Yeah, so right now the SPY is at 2,488. Could we see it go back to 2,800? Yeah, I think we could. I think we could easily go back to 2,800 SPY. But I don't know. We'll see. I mean, these markets are so heavily manipulated, guys. The markets are just being pumped with stimulus money. So who the hell knows, right? We just got to make money up and down, and we got to follow the trend. And sometimes the trends are going to change, so we have to have stop losses, and we got to protect our equity, and we got to protect our vault, and we got to build our vault. Now more than ever, we got to protect our vault, and we got to build our vault. And you got to learn how to build a vault. We all got to learn how to build a vault, build it big, build it strong, and just keep adding and accumulating to our vaults. Building a vault and adding and accumulating to our vault. That's all we got to do. If we do that, we're going to be good. We're going to be good. Everyone needs to learn how to build a vault, build a treasury. If you do that, you'll be good. But you got to learn. It's not going to happen overnight. Everybody has to learn. Will not happen overnight. Everybody has to learn, myself included. And everyone has to improve, and everyone has to get better, right? And if we work hard and we do the right things, good things will happen. MC says selling right now across the board. Stay in cash. Cash is king. Richie Rich says that's great for traders. We love volatility. Exactly. And there's a lot of volatility right now. Fernando says GLD and GDX will outperform SPY. Yeah, so two of the gold plays that I have is I have NUGT gold ETF, and I also have Kinross gold. So those are two of my gold plays. So I'm very, very bullish on gold right now. And on oil, however, there was a little bit of a snag in oil. So I do believe we could see a drop on oil on Monday, probably even today. So as soon as the market, I hope I'm wrong because I want it to go higher. But they said that they hit a snag in negotiations. So that could mean that oil could go down tomorrow or today when the market opens up. So I'll let you guys know as soon as the market opens in a few hours. Market's opening up in about 4.5 hours. Aaron Gallo says QSC and Sona both made me bank last week. Might buy QSC again this week. I would just be careful, guys. Try to buy it on a dip. Okay? There will most likely be a dip at some point. Watch it and try to buy it on a dip. But if you see it's just screaming and all your indicators are saying it's screaming and it's going to continue to go up, ride the momentum, But just remember, it's up 400%, so be careful. At some point in time, it could get shorted by an Andrew Left. He's watching. What's up, Andrew? He's watching the success of QSC and Sona, and he's probably salivating trying to short them. So just be careful, guys. Understand that guys like Andrew Left and Timothy Sykes, they know exactly who I am, and they are going to short my picks. So just realize that. I'm telling you guys this. So stay in cash, especially when you're talking about these picks. Now, if you're buying like a Visa, a MasterCard, American Express, a Facebook, an Amazon, a Google, yeah, you can hold those ones long. But if you're buying anything under $5, it's considered a penny stock. Those are not really the stocks you want to hold long. Those are the ones you want to go in and out of, stay in cash, and then build your treasury with the best stocks. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, FANG, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. This is how we're going to really create wealth and financial freedom as a community. And positioning yourselves in dividend-paying stocks. If you're Canadian, TD, RBC, CIBC, Bank of Nova Scotia, BMO. This is how we're going to create real financial freedom. I've only been doing this for 3 years, guys. I'm getting better. I will continue to get better. I am creating a lot of wealth for myself. I want to create wealth for you, the people. That's what this community is about. Whether it's through the Trading Academy, whether it's through Rich TV Live, whether it's through both. It doesn't matter. It's all connected. So the people that are within the Academy are also watching a Rich TV Live. People that are within Rich TV Live will eventually join the Academy. So I brought the Academy in so that there's a way for all of us to become better traders. And if we're all better traders, we're all going to make more money. That's why I brought it in. I didn't have to bring it in. I brought it in because I got tired of hearing people say to me, Rich, I lost $1 million in cannabis. I literally have friends that have lost $1 million in cannabis. Right? So I don't want to hear that ever again. So that's why I joined the academy and I said, you know what? Now we're going to invest in the best and we're going to have a real system in place to make sure that this never happens again. I don't want to see members losing 100 grand, 200 grand, $1 million, 2 million, $100, $1,000. I don't want to see you losing a penny. Okay? I don't want anybody to lose. I only want people to win. So I had to bring in the trading academy. So A, I can be a better trader, and B, you can be a better trader. So now if I'm a better trader and you're a better trader, we're all better traders, that means our community is going to be better. Right? Our community is going to be better. You want me to post statements of my trades and my trading account? That's interesting. One day, we're going to go public. And when we go public, I will post our fund. We'll build a fund. The Rich TV Live community, we will be a fund. And when we build our fund, I will make all of our trades public. All of them. I'll make all of our trades public. And if you actually have been watching Rich TV Live, you will know that when I buy stocks and I talk about them, I actually have it in my disclaimer of the video. So you'll know that I have bought stocks in Kinross Gold. I've bought shares in MetaPharm Labs. I've bought shares in Balance Growworks. I bought shares in oil. It's all public. It's all public. It's all public knowledge. Fernando says, Rich, KGC killed it last week, gained 20%, and it's JDXJ #1 top holding. The fact that they don't pay dividends means they can easily buy back shares. Hey, man, and if you guys watch my top 10, you'll notice that Kinross Gold was in my top 10. And if you actually watch my top 10, you'll notice that all of my top 10 last week, in a pandemic, in a week where the market was down, take a look at my top 10 and look at which ones were up. The results are pretty unbelievable. They speak for themselves. The results speak for themselves. Take a look at all my top 10 last week and look at the results. Nova Gold, Kinross Gold, SQQQ, SKF. These are all my picks. They all went up last week. Just saying. Oh, RHHBY, Roche, they also went up. Another one of my picks. So, hey, good to see you, man. I show proof actually of my back end on my trading academy. So the entire team can see exactly how much money I've made. And in the trading academy, they actually keep track of your earnings. So it shows your rankings, the amount of people that you're working with. It shows all of your volume, and it actually shows your earnings. So I actually share that with my members of my team within the academy. They can actually see my earnings. So I do share that publicly with my team. And I do also share publicly all of my trades in companies that I talk about on my channel. If you guys read my disclaimers, you will actually see me saying, yes, I do own shares in Kinross Gold, or I own shares in oil. You'll see it in my disclaimer in my videos. Fully transparent. So whenever I buy something, I try to talk about it. Even though I don't want to, because I know Andrew Left is going to short it, and I know Timothy Sykes is going to short it. But that's okay. You know, we at war, and, you know, I'm still smaller than those guys, but we're coming for them, and they know it. They know what's coming. And it ain't going to be just a little wave. It's going to be a tsunami. And I always said, if Andrew Left and Timothy Sykes want to short me, short Visa and MasterCard. I own them both, and I want more. So please, guys, short Visa and MasterCard. I own both, and I want more. So could you short them down for me, please? I beg you. I beg you. Jonas says, when do you expect MJ stocks to explode again? It's very difficult. I thought that they were going to explode. I thought we hit the bottom. And then all of a sudden, um, they decided not to make cannabis stocks in Ontario an essential service. And they shut down all the stores in Ontario. Yeah, that's not good for the cannabis sector. So that worries me. I'm concerned about that. However, everyone's going to be able to order online. So it's going to be weird to see what happens here because these companies are going to have to hurt. These companies are going to have to do some serious advertising. Listen, if you're a cannabis company and you need exposure, come on my show. If you want people to order from you, come on my show. People order from you if you come on my show because clearly there's people watching. Look, we're live. There's people watching on Instagram and on YouTube right now. There's over 100 people watching between both platforms live right now. If you want people to buy products from you in your store, come on my show. Come on my show. We'll help you create exposure. Mr. Lou says APHA is reporting in the next few weeks. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what the numbers look like. The numbers haven't been that great. So hopefully they have strong numbers because people have been buying a lot of cannabis. So we'll see. Hopefully Afria has good numbers. But in the middle of a pandemic, guys, all bets are off, man. We're in a very, very weird time right now, guys. Remember, over the next 3 to 6 months, we are going to see some terrible earnings. Some terrible earnings. Not specifically in the cannabis sector. I'm talking about companies in the cruise line sector, the travel sector, airlines, hotels. That's why a lot of people are like, Rich, what do you think about travel stocks? I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm not talking to anybody about that trash. You think I'm going to get people into companies that are going to go bankrupt? Hell no. So no, I ain't touching no airline stocks. I ain't touching no hotel stocks. I'm not touching any travel stocks whatsoever. I'm totally staying away from that completely altogether. It's not for me. I'm going to buy gold. I'm going to buy oil. I'm going to buy big board stocks. I'm going to momentum trade. I'm going to buy vaccine stocks, coronavirus stocks, test kit stocks. Those are going to be the stocks I'm going to buy. And I'm going to buy them at the bottom. And that's it. I'm going to stick to my strategy, stick to my style, and diversify and continue to diversify and trade up and down through the academy. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. It's not complicated. It doesn't have to be complicated. What about keeping physical cash? Yeah, I mean, some people are keeping physical cash, but what are you going to do with physical cash? Do you think the world's going to end? Come on, guys. In a couple months, we're going back to normal. Let's be honest. In a couple months, we're going to go back to normal. We're going to get past this. The next couple months are going to be the worst. So stay home. Stay home for 2 months. At the end of May, I think we come out of this. We come out of this in June, and we go back to more normalcy. I really believe that happens. And then the markets are going to explode. That's my opinion. So the next 2 months, we're going to have a lot of downward pressure. It's going to be a lot of people are going to panic. I personally don't think there's any reason to panic, but people are going to panic. They're going to pull money out of the markets. That's fine. We recognize that. The market's going to be stimulated. They're going to be stimulated by the Federal Reserve. So as the markets get stimulated, there's going to be all kinds of manipulation happening in the market. So we have to be ready. And cash is king. Stay in cash. Wait for opportunities. I'm an opportunist. Right? So wait for opportunities. I'm not going to carry a bunch of cash around, and I'm not going to carry a bunch of gold. My bank's still working. I can still go to the bank. I got no issues. So I'm not worried. I'm not one of those people that's panicking. I'm trading. I'm trading. I'm building my businesses. I'm growing. All my businesses are growing. And I've honestly have seen no drop off in business. If anything, especially with the academy, we're growing really fast in the academy. So no drop off whatsoever in business. If you guys want to stay busy, join the academy. You'll be busy. We're going to start trading in a few hours. Of course, stay away from travel. Anybody who recommends for you guys to buy travel stocks is a complete moron. And I've seen some people talk about it, and I just shake my head. People are talking about cruise line stocks. People are talking about airline stocks. And I'm like, really? You're talking about stocks that are going to go bankrupt. Like, why the hell would anybody recommend travel stocks? You guys will not hear me recommend travel stocks. I mean, if you want to scalp it really quickly within the day, go right ahead, but I'm not going to recommend it. How much time a day does the academy require? It's up to you. As much as you want. You could trade for as little as an hour a day. You can trade for 24 hours a day. So it's up to you. But the average person probably puts in 2 to 3 hours a day. That's what I would say. It's part-time for most people. And then once you start getting big in the academy and you start making full-time money, then it's full-time. You know, so for me, I do it part-time, but it's becoming more full-time because I have a lot of time right now to do it because I'm stuck at home. So while I'm at home, when I'm not doing YouTube videos and I'm not interviewing companies on Rich TV Live, I'm trading within the Trading Academy. I'm learning about different indicators. I'm watching mentors talk about Bitcoin, gold, oil, stocks, Forex, and I'm just thinking about what I want to buy and what I want to sell and what I want to do with my equities and what I want to talk about on my show. So I get a lot of ideas from the academy, a lot of trade ideas from the academy. You want the academy link? Sure. 1 second. And when you join the academy, you get a full-blown website, you get a referral link, and you'll be working with me. So I'm going to be helping you build your team too. As people come into the academy, I bring those people in and I add them to whoever joined previously's team. So when you come in, the next person that comes in after you, and I'm hiring and bringing on new people all the time. So the next person that comes in, I automatically just put them on your team. So you're going to be building just because you're part of my team, because I'm building. And I'm not going to stop building because I'm a builder and I want to see thousands of people within our team in the academy. And if we have thousands of people within the team in the academy, I'm going to be making so much money, guys, that I'm going to be able to start giving out bonuses. I'm going to be able to do a lot more with our team, with our academy, with Rich TV Live, because I'll be making a lot more money than I am right now. So that's why I'm really excited about what's going on, because there's some huge opportunity for someone like myself and anybody who wants to grow within a company. There's my link right there. And if you want to join, all you want to do is you want to go to customer. There's 2 options, either customer or IBO, which is independent business owner. So you go to customer, it's $235 one time for your first month. In month number 2, it goes to $175 a month. Okay, so that's the cost. And I'd love to work with you guys and I'd love to trade with you guys. I will literally be trading live at 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern with our team. So in like 4.5 hours, we're going to be live trading. And at that point in time, I'll probably come live and I'll do a video and I'm going to tell you guys what's going on with the market. Is the market up? Is the market down? Is oil up? Is oil down? Is gold up? Is gold down? This is what I'm going to be looking at in the next few hours. This is the way my brain's thinking, because I've got stocks in all of those sectors as of Monday. So not only am I trading in the academy, but as of Monday, I'm trading in the academy and I'm trading with my own trading account. So I'm trading both. And I'm looking for trade ideas all day long. Yeah, guys, travel stocks, just think about, okay, if you're Carnival Cruise Lines, just think about the losses they're going to show. They're going to be astronomical. If you're a travel company, think about the losses you're going to show in the next 3 to 6 months. It's going to be astronomical. Many of these companies will go bankrupt and will need a bailout. So I'm not going to buy those stocks. Now, I'm not saying you can't make money with those stocks. They're going to jump up and down with a lot of volatility. I just personally am not going to talk about it on my show and get people within my community to be buying companies that could potentially get crushed. I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it. Slash says, bro, you're so obviously from Ontario. I'm guessing London. No, I'm actually from Toronto. I'm from Toronto. But I have a lot of friends that went to Western, so I know London, Ontario very well. Yeah, you can short travel. I think a lot of people will short travel. I think a lot of people will short travel. But, you know, that's not really what I'm interested in. That doesn't interest me. Shorting companies doesn't interest me. I like longing companies. I will short, but it doesn't interest me. I like looking for companies that are like the diamond in the rough that explode, like a QSC, a Sona, a Baby. Those are 3 picks that I brought to the community. All have gone up hundreds of percent. QSC went up 400% last week. I live to find those deals. That's my thing, man. And it doesn't have to be a penny stock. I brought you guys Inovio when it was at $2. It went to 19. I brought you guys CODX when it was at $2. It went to over 20. CODX just announced FDA approval. I expect CODX to explode tomorrow, guys. They already went up 37% after market on Friday after getting FDA approval. Antonio Cortez says, agreed, the travel stocks will take a beating for at least half a year, but eventually, when this virus fades, people will be traveling like crazy. Yes, because people are going to want to travel because they're going to be stuck at their homes. I agree with you. So I believe there will be a massive buying opportunity, but we need to really wait and see who's going to go bankrupt and what it's going to look like. And I'm not putting my money, and I'm not going to be recommending any of those travel companies to anybody until I see us get through this, on the other side of this, and people start traveling again. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great Sunday. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. We've been live for an hour. If you guys would like to join the Academy, just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. Love to work with you guys and love to build with you guys. And some of you guys are going to be fantastic at this company, and you're going to be better traders than me. Some of you are going to be better builders than me. Some of you are going to get ahead faster than me. Some of you are going to make more money than me. Like one of my guys, Adrian, he's already made 30 grand in the Academy. You know, he's made more money than me in the Academy. So anybody can do this. We're just copy trading experts, and we'll be doing it in a few hours. Love to do it with you guys too. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you winners, and we bring them to you first. I'm calling it right now. CODX on full alert. They explode. Hey guys, on Live Me, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I'm out. If you follow me, I'll follow you. Peace. Okay, that's Live Me. Say goodbye there. We'll share that on Twitter. Bam. And we'll share that on Instagram. Bam.
You're going to see if the Yahoo account works for it, because that's what default is.
Bam. And since it's a Saturday, and I have a feeling that CODX is going to explode, we're going to have to put it on a full alert, folks. CODX is going on a full alert. CODX, FDA approval, guys.
Cryptocurrencies, cannabis stocks, and CEO interviews.
I'm putting CODX on a full alert.
TV Live.
The market will open tomorrow, so CODX will explode. The stock gods have spoken. CODX will explode. It's true.
Yo, kid. Rich TV Live.
We got a full alert, baby.
Yeah. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yeah. I told y'all motherfuckers about a rubber and I was gonna blow up. And Kira did the same and made you throw up. I was talking about push bottles, KSHB. I was talking about I ain't this and what they gon' be. It was BVO. We gave you all the answers. TRST shit, you know it's Kentra. Don't forget about every year we brought you into harvest. But why you still hate on the kid? Why that shit shit is far past just the 52-week lows. That's just how it goes. Rich TV is shit. We about to make some dough. Yo, right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in the backwood and we bumping clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, it's full alert. Yeah, full alert, it's full alert. Let me take you to the future
With ACB on top.
and Afria right next to that shit
In the second slot,
I'm like Jordan in his prime.
shooting with Pippen,
Making money all the time.
fucking with some men.
Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's
Gaining hype.
And if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to
Say goodnight.
Gino with the fever, that shit diva with the heater. You can leave that shit with Beaver. I don't fuck when I'm a leaver. Got fire in my pocket, take my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, you gon' make some cream. XOY, I got lots of that. It's about to pop and fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap to tell you that you copping that.
Vivo,
I got that in
Mosquito.
with eyes closed, eating a burrito, eating on some fucking Cheetos. Yeah, you know you buy that shit. It's a new strike on these haters, and the missile get you hit. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert, it's full alert. Yo, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, it's full alert. Yo, full alert, it's full alert. TV live. Ill kid in the fucking building.
All right, guys, have a nice weekend. I'm out. Peace. CODX, guys. Remember where you heard it first, eh? Remember.